Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you are tired of sticky humid days making your home uncomfortable, you are on the right place. Today we are talking about the dry mode of your air conditioner, a feature that can save you money and keep your home feeling fresh. So guys, stick around to learn how it works, when to use it and why it's a game changer. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. So guys, you have probably thinking what is dry mode. So I'm going to explain you what is dry mode. Well, dry mode is a setting of the modern AC design to reduce humidity without significantly cooling the room. Unlike the cool mode, which lowers the temperature and humidity, dry mode focuses primarily on moisture remover. I'm going to show you what is the dry mode and how it appears on your acid mode. So guys, I'm going to show you. Well, when we press our on button, you can see the drop signs. Well, this is the dry mode. So guys, this is our grey AC. First of all, I'm going to turn on my AC. So my AC is turned on. You can see that it is set on the dry mode. So now the AC is on. You can set the temperature from this up and down button. Just like I want to set the temperature on 26, then it will go like. Guys, do you know that the dry mode has two greatest advantages? Well, the first greatest advantage is that it uses less power than the cool mode. Can you imagine that? That it uses the less power. It potentially saving up to 50% of the energy cost. 50%. It also eliminates the musty smell caused by dampness. And it also has a great advantage on your health, just like improving air quality for allergy sufferers. Guys, now I'm going to give you a tip about how to use a dry mode. Well, you can set the temperature from 26 to 27, not high, not low. This is a tip number one. And a pro tip that only use dry mode for 1 to 2 hours, not for long period of time. So guys, you have been thinking why to bother with the dry mode. First, it's the money saver. It uses way less energy than the cool mode, so you can keep your bill low. Second, it makes your home feel so much more comfortable by getting rid of that sticky humid vibe. Plus, it's a great for your health. Dry mode reduces mold and dust mitties, such as lifesaver for everyone. So guys, I hope you will like my video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can give you more interesting videos like that. Okay, bye.